What we have here is 3 different designs for gallon dispensing. We have a wall mount design, where you just use the dispenser that came with the bottle. We have a wall mount design also that has a larger head on it. That allows for people to use their wrist to dispense. And then we have a floor mount dispenser that can go anywhere in your facility, which is adjustable up and down to work with any size or style of gallon. This is the stainless wall mount gallon holder. Mounts to the wall with 2 different mounting holes. Once it's mounted, just drop your product in. So this is our stainless steel wall-mounted wrist-activated gallon holder and dispenser. There's 4 mounting holes, and this wrist-activated dispenser arm up here is adjustable for different heights. Simply drop your gallon in, and you're ready to go. This is Bunzl's floor-mounted, foot-activated gallon dispenser. It has a dispensing arm up here and a gallon holder here, which is adjustable to any different size of gallon and pump head. The first time you use it is when to remove this, set your gallon in, raise the arm, and set it to the correct height. After you set the dispenser to the correct height, there's no need to remove the gallon holder anymore. Simply remove the bottle and place your replacement bottle in. No matter what the gallon program is that's right for your facility, know that Bunzl Processor Division has both the holders and dispensers that will help your plant meet your goals.
For more information, please visit our website at bunzlpd.com or give us a call at 1-800-456-5624.